Hi everyone, welcome from Acumen Accounting. Today's video is one of the very important and the most asked questions by the entrepreneur and the businessman. So the always question which comes up is, what should we do? We stay as a self-employed, a sole trader, or we set up a limited company? So I will give you the answer at the end of this video. So before that, I'll give you the benefits of being a limited company and the benefits of staying as a sole trader. So first, I'll give you the benefits of being a limited company. So if you incorporate a limited company, it's most tax efficient way to do it because you have some options in there. Nowadays, we have a corporation tax at 19%, and then you can take a dividend out of the company, and also you can charge wages as a director and the owner of the company. The second one is limited liability. So what happens is, if, for example, what happens is business is always not a profitable. Sometime you hit a trouble, or sometime you go into the end of the road where you decided to wind up your business and you wanted to close your business, where the limited company give you more protection, where your personal assets are safe, your house, your car, your vehicle is safe because it's a limited liability under the company. So your creditors or the people you owe money, they will basically pursue you for payments, but they are limited to that legal entity which you have created. So they cannot go after your personal assets. So it's all within that limited company. So that's the protection you have being a limited company. So number third is you can add multiple directors and the shareholder into the business. It's very easy process to do. You can just get in touch with your financial advisor or the accountants you have. They can add a shareholder or the director in the company, and you can sell the shares very easily. So that's a very straightforward and stream process. Number four is the credibility. Some of the suppliers, what they do is they only wanted to deal with the limited company because there's more transparency and the information is easily available on the company's house. They can easily go and check who the owner is, who's the director of the company, how long the company has been incorporated, and their financial situation. They can also check a credit history of the company before they start doing any business with yourself. So that's the credibility which give more options to the suppliers or the other businesses who wants to come into the agreement with yourself. So that's the benefit of having a limited company. The last one is a legal name. So you can, once you register that name in the company's house, that's legally your name as a limited company. Nobody can else register this name, but don't get confused. It's not like registered patent or registered name, because that's a different thing to registering a limited company name, but nobody else can have that name in the company. So these are the benefits of being a limited company. Now I'll come into the sole trader or the self-employed, what benefits you can get. And after this, I will tell you my opinion, what should you have, a limited company or a sole trader. So being a sole trader, you have a flexibility. You know, you're a sole trader, you're working now, you can switch on, there's less admin expense. You are very flexible on whatever you're doing. You don't have to pay every year to your company's house subscriptions. All these things, you can get being a sole trader. Secondly, it's creator privacy. Once you are in a sole trader, nobody know because there's no register to search as like we have in the limited companies. So it's the privacy there. You're trading on your own, maybe probably as a plumber, electrician, or have a small business. You can have that privacy being as a sole trader because you don't have to register with any of the third party or kind of the company's house. Number three, it's cheaper to run. Being a sole trader, you pay less fees to your accountants and less admin cost because limited company have additional costs associated with that. Being a sole trader, it's very cheap to run, straightforward. You have your income and expenses, which you report to your HMRC every year, and you pay tax on it. The last one is cheaper to close. Yes, if you are a sole trader, as a self-employed, you can easily close your business, simply you stop trading and you just need to report or tell the HMRC you're no longer self-employed, and they can easily close your self-employment and they will not issue you any self-employment or self-assessment notices in future. As compared to limited company, it's a lengthy process. Some people get this as a surprise because once you starting closing down your business, you have to either dissolve it or do the liquidation, which sometimes takes more than 90 days. Yes. So being a self-employed, it's easy to close. Right, now the time to tell you what option should you go for. If you're planning to be as a startup or if you're already in the business, pause and plan. This is what you need to do. You need to sit down and plan what you really want to do in your future. Must seek a professional advice. We have an option for up to 60 minutes free appointment where we can give you our opinion after listening to you, because we strongly believe every individual is different. Every individual have a different business needs. But if your profit is more than £20,000, in our opinion, you must you should have registered a limited company because it's more tax efficient. So if you think your profit at bottom figure, I'm not talking about turnover, it's after paying your all expenses. If your profit is more than £20,000, you should incorporate a limited company, which will give you more tax efficiency. Again, every individual is different. This is not a perfect kind of example or perfect advice straight away, because we are just giving you journal information and journal advice based on the estimated figures. So, but if you want expert advice and if you wanted to speak to somebody, just visit our website, acumenaccounting.co.uk, and book a free appointment. One of our team members who are specialized in personal tax and the limited companies, they will sit with you, listen to you, and advise you properly. So meanwhile, if you have any question, just leave a comment at the bottom of this video. And thank you very much for all your appreciations and sharing all these videos. Any question, just get in touch with us. Thank you for listening, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye for now.